Hello everyone, I'm here to invite you on behalf of the QBooks Business Solution and QBoard for the webinar on the automation that is specifically for the chartered accountants and the tax consultant that is scheduled to be aired on the 7th June 2020 at 5:30 p.m. and it will be hosted by the Deepak Vaswani. So the first question is, what is automation? So let's see small demo for that. This is the small utility that is created for reconciling the books with the GSTR 2A that is downloaded from the GST website. So what we need is generally a data from the GST website and the data from the books. We will simply import it. For that I have already downloaded the data from the GST website and saved in the folder. Let me show you like this, and also saved the data from the books and saved in this folder. So I will simply click on start to import this. The first is to I will input some basic detail about the firm. So here it is, and I will click on next to import the data from the folder. I will click on select folder and select the folder in which I will save the data from the GSTN website, and when I click on OK, the data will be imported. See how quickly it imported all the data in required format. Now in the same way I will import the data from the books. I will select the folder and OK. See, the data is imported. The next thing is I will click on the reconcile now. When I click on the reconcile now, you can see how quickly it reconciled. That you cannot imagine it reconciled around 1100 invoices in just few seconds. And let's see how the reconciliation statement is prepared. Let me filter on the column as for the match. It will show me the details of invoices without any mismatch. These are the complete match in the books on the returns. Then the details mismatch tab, it shows me the details of invoices with some mismatches, like the date is incorrect, and it will show me the date as per GSTN and date as per books. It will also identify if the amount is different. And the next thing is not found in the books. It will show me the details of the invoices that are in GSTR 2A but not in my books. Maybe some bank charges or other invoices that I forgot to record. Then the next thing is not found in GSTR. These are the invoices that are recorded in my books but not showing on the GSTR 2A. Okay. And the last is possible match found. It showed me the if invoice number is not matching but the amount is matching, then it will show. Also it will create the vendor wise summary of the books as per GSTN and the difference for the entire period that we considered. It will also create the month wise summary for each vendor for the entire period that we covered, like it was covered for July 2017 to March, and then it will create a summary for all the months, like the amount as per books, amount as per GSTN, and the difference column. See how quickly it created all such reports in few seconds only. So these are the ways we can automate the tasks that we are routinely working on. And there are multiple benefits of this, like these benefits we can discuss on our webinar as well. You can see the benefits that are from the automation, and you cannot imagine where we can use this automation tool. We can use this for bank reconciliation processes. We can use this as a review. If we are going to review the reports for accuracy, we can create the financial and external reporting using these tools. We can do the receivable and payable management. and we can also close the financial statement based on some rules. So we will discuss all these detail on our webinar that is scheduled on the 7th June, Sunday at 5:30 p.m. For that you have to register on our website, that is www.equibooksindia.com. You can simply log into the website and register for the webinar, and the link for the webinar will be shared on after your successful registration. Thanks for watching.